So friend, this is component management part 5, and last my previous video I'm already created how can we create these partition, why create these partitions, and what is the driver, what is component management. So watch my previous video part 1, part 2, part 3 component management and part 4, and I have created other videos of contemporary playlist. You can watch my all video part wise here. So watch my video part wise one by one. Either you cannot understand. So contemporary lot of people not understand, and how can we created these systems? Why created these systems, these Windows operating system, and how many type benefit of these contemporary. And I'm already created other some video. Watch my playlist. So this is my Blue Sky channel, one type of technology and some information for you, latest updates and latest technology here. So let's start here. What is the component management inside, more details, and what is a partition, how can we create it. So let's start here. So you can see here disk management very important. Again, first this type all of my videos and the quiz softwares here you can see here, and you can see just now folders, files, anything. So take my different type already my created partition. So I'm just showing you first main partition. Why not creating, why not only one creator? Because sometimes very important for your data, and main partition you cannot store in partition C. So all of data you can directly find out, you can directly access, you can directly identify how can we use, how can we, where I put it file in partition. So you can put your partition in different type folders, different type documents directly accessed by your storage, your partitions area. Okay, so you can see this type logo here. Okay, already changed it, Windows 10. Okay, so same work in Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. Nothing change anything. So you can see disk management here, and this storage inside these options. So this means store data. So you can see click on here disk management, you can see this type window here. So you first I'm just talk about partition C. You can see this is my main component partition. I cannot changing, I cannot anything, because this is a very important partition for every my Windows operating system data in storage these partitions here, and software partition, software any files in these partitions here. You can see this my disk 0 means my disk 1, and you can see here online. Okay, so my this is a 500 GB, 500 GB this is my partition, but 465 76 GB available. So you can see here 75 tab, you can see different type partitions. I will discuss in partition, what is a partition, some in video, but today we are just showing you this is a, you can see you create new simple volume. So you can create new volume means your partitions, different type partition available. News, what is the news parent, what is stripped volume, mirror volume, red file, what is the red file, different partition working for different work and different technology available. So you can see partition C here and partition free using. So I'm just showing you this main partition, this free partition, and partition inside logical partition. So this is a very important my partitions, and I cannot changing, I cannot by mistake I'm possible some main file delete here. So you can see NTFS format type. What is the format type I will discuss in some video. So you can see general inside first local disk here. Okay, and this is the NTFS file, and you can add your name by your your label name. So I'm just showing you new name. Okay, so you can see just first partitions, use partition, free space partition. You can see this is a showing size of your place of your system files, and how many size you using and how many size your free space. So you can see 36.8 GB I'm using, and total my partition 45 4 GB size and free 8.85 GB. Okay, so this is a partition very important for my computer because all of Windows operating system and main data in these partitions here. So you may be changing here, you may be and file, you by mistake you delete, so all operating system corrupt and not working completely starting. And I will discuss some video what is the optimized defragment and different disk cleanup type, hardware type. Okay, so what is the optimized defragment? Okay, and this is a CD DVD disk drive and disk drive available. So this my disk drive CD DVD, and this my my main computer hard disk. Previous version means your last your file history from restore point created. So this tab showing here. Okay, but I have no restore point created and not create restore points. Quota, what is the disk quota? I will discuss in this disk quota in server. But in this quota is one type of you can fix size you know for your computer, your partitions, your just fix size here. Okay, so not you can limit increase, but this my local partitions, and I can increase my size here. Okay, so enable here, and you can start your disk quota and set your limit of your size. So I'm just not interested because I will discuss in Windows Server series. Okay, so first you can see here, this is my all of partition managed by this disk management, and this is a red type means my partition this are full here, no more space in my this piece these partitions here. So red means your partition, you know uh, full partitions, full data. Okay, so my maximum size I have no, because 97 total my 6 size, and you can see 3 GB 3.6 GB available, but these partitions are going to 21 GB and 40.7 GB in free. So you can see 15 MB and 15, you can not more changing here. So first you want 221 GB my total space here. Okay, and you can see service and application. So I will discuss disk management systems in some video, next video, some series, how can create partitions and how can we using partition. So what is the services, what service is very important for computer, and this all of computer process, all of computer services, all of computer file services you can see here by this computer management here. But I will discuss in administrative tools. Okay, not I'm telling teach you. Okay, I'm not teach you directly computer management too. I am just open special services, these options here. Okay, so these computer management services and these services same, nothing changing here. Okay, but this is a you can see a computer management services window. Okay, so this is a computer services main windows always showing, you can see here. Okay, Windows management information. So this is a WMI services. So messaging, this messaging different type you can see. Okay, so messaging, message quoting systems here, how many message receive your KB, and using you store your data of message. So any message just like email, okay, MMS, anything, you can manage your systems here. So message quoting is a very important for your some computer, because this set limit your and not more, you know, not more unnecessary using size here. Okay, so this is a good very and simple these systems here. So disk management means I will discuss in some video. You can see task scheduler, what is a event viewer, I will discuss it already. Okay, and what is a share folder? Share folder means you share folder one to another computer, so these work only for your network. Okay, so share folder, why share, you can see here, this is my folders here. Okay, and I want to share these other computer. Okay, so you want to share these folders, so how can we share this folder and why share folder? Because we are working for fast time, and you want data without to leave your department, without to leave your computer. So share system is very important in sharing file system, very good technology for your computer and other computer. So this is a very important as your computer, and you can control your files, you can add your file, you can, you know, modify file, you can copy file. So this is a very good features and good technology, one to another computer, not changing your, you know, your department, don't anything your problem here, because this share folder with you can add your different tab securities and available in your computer, both side computer. Okay, so both side computer, not directly you can access, you need first network. Okay, so without network you cannot share file, share folder. Okay, so this type you can see session, open session file, you can see share folders. What is a share? Shares mean my already some files I am already, you know, share files. Okay, so share name is very different. You can share your partition, you can share your folder, you can share your files. Okay, so all share file list you can see here, this type. Okay, so this is my all of files and some partition already share. So how can share partition, how can share, I will discuss in some videos. Okay, and very good this technology for session means this is very already open some files, so this showing here, you can see this tab, very good technology for open files, means some file using who using your computer, who computer user open your files, you can check here. Okay, and monitor here, so you can see just all of file folders, anything you can share file and work with quickly. Okay, so you can see, and this is the event viewer, I will already talk about this technology. Okay, so this is the system tools, I'm device manager, my is complete this video. Okay, so next time I will talk about what is IIS.